Hi mga kamarites! Good morning, good day to all of you. Welcome to Juliana's Universe. Okay, so we are just staying in the house today. And I thought of unboxing something that I ordered online. So I want to show you what is in the box. So okay, the story behind this is that I got a pair of shoes and I like it very much. So I want to show you the first one that I bought before the others. Yeah. So that's the story of that.
So this video is not gonna be choppy like the other ones when
so this is a straight video.
Yeah, when we stop the video so fast.
Okay.
Because we're not going out.
We are now only inside the house. Yeah, we're just inside our house.
We filmed the 2 videos today, but you'll probably see this like.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the first shoes from Jimmy Choo.
What?
Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo shoes.
Wow.
This is what I wore
kidding.
yesterday. It's red shoes. Of
Wow,
course,
you
it's so
put it
big.
back in your box.
I always put my shoes in the box after I use it. If my shoes are not that I don't use it every day, I use it occasionally, I put them on the box after. So this is the red shoes that I bought 2 days ago.
You really like red.
No, this is my first red rubber shoes, sneakers.
Really?
It's there's a studs here. There's a design. That's why I like it so much.
Okay, let's move on to the big box.
The reason there's a big box because I like the shoes, and this morning I decided, of course, mga marites, it's so sad if you only have one shoes. So I feel like I deserve another pair of shoes na the same.
Did you pay this?
Of course. Who else would pay that?
I thought Daddy.
So I told myself early this morning I want another same kind of shoes. So I ordered online from Level.
It's a level shoes.
Level shoes in Dubai Mall.
It will look backwards on the camera, I think.
No, it's not. So we will see. We will unbox it.
I feel like there's something missing.
What?
Nothing.
So, syempre, mga kamarites, sad pag-iisa ang rubber shoes. So, sabi ko, kailangan niya ng kapatid. So, he needs sister. So, I bought sisters. Sisters. Yeah, sisters. Yeah. So, I bought another Jimmy Choo.
Aw, I thought there were gonna be like a
Wait.
lot of boxes, but there's
No.
only 2.
So, the design of this is...
Take that off, take
There's too much wrapping.
It's too much. Wow.
Sana all.
You like it?
It's just the same design,
It's
but
the same design but different
Different
color.
yes,
Yeah.
that was you stole my
Yeah. So is it nice?
Very
Yeah.
nice.
It's very nice.
Is this new? Or
Of
did you
course.
put it back in this box?
No, that's new.
So
This is my new shirt. That's the sister of the other one. Haha, I'm so happy. Haha.
can I open this one?
Okay. And of course, wait, because they're sisters na, I bought a brother. Haha. Okay.
Another one.
Another one. Let's see.
He said I could open it.
Oh, sorry. You open it. You open it.
What is this?
Whatever. You open it.
intense wrapping.
Oh, don't do it like that.
Wow.
So what's the name of the shoes? It's another
Jimmy Choo.
Jimmy Choo.
Oh, this one is different. It has stars. Let me give them close up. There, as you can see, it has little stars. And there's the back. And that. And then... Oh, wait, I didn't notice the bottom. It looks like this. But sadly, it's gonna get dirty.
No, I take care of my shoes. Oh, there's
Okay.
stars at the bottom.
I know, it's so nice.
Okay, so this is the brother of the sisters.
If only I had like...
I'm so happy. I got 3 Jimmy shoes now. Jimmy Choo shoes.
So like...
No, I said I'm not gonna shop again. So this is gonna be my last shop.
I don't actually believe that.
So, by the way, mga kamarites, I love sneakers. I love shoes so much. So next video we will
And she
do.
likes these too.
No, that's first time only. That's why I bought 3 Jimmy Choo. I'm going to show you all my collections. So that's it for the vlog today.
You're gonna show all your shoes? That's so many.
Yeah, why not? But that's gonna be the next vlog if they want to see my collection. So that's it for now, mga kamarites. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.